Hey guys, welcome back to SQL interview question series. So today I am going to discuss the answer of interview question 5, which is also a most frequently asked question. That is, what is case statement in SQL? So case statement in SQL is just like if else statement of any programming language. So whenever we want to retrieve or search data into a table based on multiple conditions, we can use case statement. Okay, so this is the flow chart of the case statement. Like, here is the starting of the case start, and here is condition 1, that is salary less than 10,000. I am taking the example of same table which I discussed in other interview questions. So if the salary less than 10,000, then display the salary grade at C. If this condition is true, then it will jump to this. If this condition is false, then it will check for the next condition, salary equal to 10,000. And if this condition is true, then it will display the grade as B. Otherwise, if both the conditions are false, then only it will come to else part of the case statement, that is display grade A. Okay, that means salary greater than 10,000, it will display the grade as A. And here is the case and statement. So this is how the case statement in SQL works. Okay, so let's see this with the help of example. So I am coming back to SQL workbench. So here I have written query using the case statement. So let me show you the employee salary records. So here, as you can see, in employee salary there are a salary of 12 employees, having the information of employee number, basic, HRA and DA, right? So based on the basic salary, let's suppose I want to see, I want to display the grade, salary grade. I want to classify basic salary on the basis of grade. Okay, and the grade condition is if salary less than 10,000, then display the salary grade as C. Else, if equal to 10,000, then salary grade is B. Else, display the salary grade as A. and and here is the end of the case statement, as employee grade, and we want to name that column as employee grade, which will be added at the end of the DA column. Okay, so we can give the LIC's name as LI's column name as this. Then, and after that we will give the uh, table name from which we are going to check the uh, salary, basic salary. So this is one example of the case statement. Okay, so let's execute this first. I am running this query. See, it's now, as you can see, a column, new column, which is a virtual column, got added at the end of the table, where it's showing the grade of the employees based on the basic salary. Is employee number 1 has basic less than 5,000, less than 10,000, which, so it's showing as grade C. Since it's equal to 10,000, so it's showing the grade as B for employee 3. And for employee number 4, it's showing as grade A since it is above 10,000. That means our query is executing successfully. So this is one of the usage of case statement. Okay, we can use case statement in multiple ways. So one of the way of using case statement is like case with condition. Whenever we have boolean conditions in the case statement, so that is known as case with such condition. So here I have two boolean conditions, basic less than 10,000 and basic equal to 10,000. Okay, now second way of using case statement is case with value. Okay, sometimes we directly give value, right, instead of condition. Okay, like here you can see we are giving the condition. Okay, so but here in the second method we are directly giving the values. Let's suppose from the employee detail column, let's see the employee detail table first. Okay, this is the employee detail table, and in employee detail table, I want to, based on the country, I want to display the citizenship as Indian or international. Okay, based on the country. If the country is India, then display the citizenship of the employee as Indian, otherwise international. So here the uh, I have given the condition for which column, country column, case country, then when country value is India. Here you can see I am directly giving the value. I am not giving it like this, country equal to India. So this is the case with value. But in the above example, you can see I am giving full condition expression, Boolean expression, basic less than 10,000. But here, instead of giving country equal to India, I am giving case country when equal to, when country is India, then it will display Indian, else international, else it will display international. Means if country other than India, then it will display the citizenship as international. Then after that, else statement, this is the end of the case statement, as, and this column name I am giving the name as citizenship, right? So let's execute this. So in the output it will show first name, designation and country, then after that citizenship. So let me execute this query. See, so now uh, it's displaying the citizenship based on the country, right? So this is how we can modify our data. Sometime we need to show such kind of report. So using case statement, we can easily modify our report based on the condition. Now sometime we need to update the existing records based on condition, multiple conditions. So for that also we can use case statement. That is the third method of using case statement. So here I will give case statement with update command, right? So I have one more table. Let me show you the table first, table record first. So this is the sales table, right? And here there is a one column rating. So based on the quantity sold, I want to provide rating. Okay, whether the sale is poor, good, better, like this rating I want to provide. So here I can use update statement, right? So update sales info, table name. Then what is the syntax of update command? Update command syntax is update, table name, set, column name, then value. So in similar fashion, we are writing the this using case statement. Update sales info. What we want to modify? We want to set rating column. So here I have written set rating equal to, what value to will be set to the rating based on this outcome of the case statement. So here our case statement, case when quantity sold greater than 150, then rating should be good. Okay, above 150 rating is good. When quantity sold less than equal to 150 and quantity sold more than 100, means quantity sold lies between 100 and 150, then the rating should be satisfactory. Else below 100 or 100, the rating will be poor. Okay, right? So let's execute this query and check whether the rating column is modified or not. So query is completed. Let's check the sales info table again. See, it's showing the rating. So below 100 or equal to 100, the rating is poor. When the uh, sales lies between 100 and 150, then the rating is satisfactory. For 120C, it's giving the rating satisfactory. And when the sale is above um, 150, then it is the good. See, the computer sale is 200, so it's giving the rating 200. So it is very good statement, very useful statement in fact. So we can update our table records based on the multiple conditions. So here is I have shown you the three ways of using update using case statement. So let's summarize this in the document. So here uh, I have shown you the three ways of using case statement. Case with such condition, that is the first one which I shown you with basic salary. Okay, and show the employee salary grade based on the basic salary. And another one is case with value, right? That is the second example which I have shown you. Like, see, like if the country India, then it should show the state citizenship as Indian, otherwise it will show international. And the third example, we can use case statement with update clause as well. So in this video I have explained the case statement in detail and various ways of using that. So in SQ, in a, in interview you can give example of this case statement and explain the interviewer, and you can also tell them the various ways of using the case statement in SQL. So you practice it, and if you have any doubt, please message me or you can email me. Thank you. Bye bye.